Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings? With Calendly, you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that work for everyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling push-outs and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the home page as you can see. Alright, so Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links for others to choose convenient times. With automated reminders and calendar integrations, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just click over sign up with Google if you want, or Microsoft, or you can just click over sign up free with email address. Alright, so this is it. Or you can use other option which is sign up free with email as you can see. But before, let's just know the pricing of this platform which is Calendly. We have here four packages as you can see. We have the first one is absolutely for free, and we have here key features here like a limited one-on-one meeting, one event type, then we have connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing, customize your booking page, send confirmation emails, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application and browser extension. Then we have the second one, we have the standard. For those with more sophisticated scheduling needs, you have to pay $10 per month, and you have just to click over get started after reading the key features if it's comfortable for you. Then we have here the third one, which is Teams for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting distribution, and automations as well. Then you have to pay $16 per month. As you can see, you have just to click over try it for free, and or you can just click over here to get started. And you have to pay $16 per month, and it's for teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting distribution, and automations, as I said. Then we have here the features, and the last one, it's enterprise for teams who need more security, admin control, support, and enterprise-grade procurement. You have to pay $15,000 per year, as you can see. You have just to talk to sales to know more about the pricing and the features as well. So once you choose the package that you want, you have just to come back and you click over sign up for free with email. So this is for the free one. If you want, for example, this standard, and you have just first let you pay $10, you have to click over get started. You add your information like your card number and other things, then you get started. But in this case I will just talk about the free one. So I will just click over sign up free with email, and you will find other page which is this one. As you can see, we'll just enter email address as you can see, then we'll click over sign up, and you will find other page which is this one. I have to enter my email address here, full name, then the password, and we have here at least 8 characters, and I will click over continue. Then you will find other page which is this one. As you can see, we have here Calendly. Before continuing, we need to verify your email address. You have to check your inbox for a confirmation link. As you can see, if you don't receive or if you don't have the confirmation link, you have just to click over here to resend it again, and you get started with this one after clicking over the link, and then you will find this page, and this is the dashboard as you can see. So after creating your Calendly account, you have just to start by setting up your availability preferences, choosing the days and the times you are free for meeting. Next, you have just to create event types, specifying details like duration and location. Then you have to share your unique Calendly like with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making scheduling a breezy as well. So we have here various options, like we'll find here also how you can get started. Alright, we have here how you can get started. We have firstly get to know Calendly first. We have here video showing that, and we have here paragraph showing that. Like Calendly make your scheduling a breezy with event types, streamline your work day by automating meeting preparation and follow-ups, integrating with your favorite tools and much. Then you have just to click over new user guide and you get started. Then we have here also the second one, which is the perfect schedule setup. About this one, you have just to get started by creating our most common event type to 101, set your event details, and connect your preferred video conferencing tool as well. Then you have just to click over here and you get started. Then you have just to customize and share your first event type, and also then download Chrome extension if you want. Then we have here the third one, automate meeting preparation and follow-up. In this one, you have just to send reminders and follow-ups, connect the tools you use every day to boost productivity. You can just watch this video to more understand, or you can just read this one. We have to improve your work routine with automated meeting, communications, tool and service, integrations, and a browser extension, right? Then we have the last one, which is using Calendly with a team. Learn about the features your users will have access to and the settings admins can use to improve scheduling for your organization. You can just watch this video, then you click over Add Teammates to start scheduling collaboratively. Then streamline scheduling for the team and then manage secure settings for the teams. Alright. In the right we have here the option of how to create, and also we have here invite user firstly, and here we have if you want to just copy the link and do share it with your friends, you select if you want this one, 30-minute meeting, 1-on-1, view booking page, and you have just to share it with your friends and you get started for a meeting, right? Then we have also how you can create event type if you want. As you can see, then we have font 1-on-1, one host with one invite. You have just to choose a host and you click over next, and you'll find other page route is this one. You have to select the name of your event, duration, then the location of the Zoom, phone call, in person, and you click over continue, right? Then we have here group, one hosting with a group of invites, collective more than one host with a one invite, and you have just to link some information about this meeting and you get started. Then we have also here one of meeting. About this one, we have your calendar. You have just to click the time it's available for you and you get started and you click over next. Alright. Then we have also here collective. Sorry, we have here meeting pool. Then also we have other options like if you want meeting. We have here upcoming, pending, past, date range. Then we have availability. As you can see, we have here availability, then we have here contacts, workflows, integration and application, routine, we have analytics, admin center, and we have here help if you want, for example, center, Calendly community, what's new, and give a feedback. All right, so this is how you can get started with Calendly. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process by automating the booking of meetings. It saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.